contact, maintain 10,000.
Casino 7, 10,000.
2122, climb, maintain 14,000.
The following is our disclaimer. Obtain a taxiway light legally. Do not steal one from an airport, as you could hurt yourself or others and go to jail for a very long time. You will be dealing with electricity. Read all instructions provided with the packaging that you receive. This is how we made ours. The producers of this video, the voiceover artist, and the creators of this taxiway lamp do not take any responsibilities for any failures, fires, deaths, or frustrations. By following the actions in this video, you will be taking your own life in your own hands. Here is everything you will need. 4 stainless steel knurled screws, number 10-32, 9 16 inch. 4 stainless steel knurled nuts, number 10-32. 10 feet of 18 gauge 2-strand lamp wire, available in various colors. 1 10 amp 2-pole straight blade plug. 1 1-inch gas pipe floor flange. 1 single pole cord switch. An LED light bulb. Standard wire connectors. Waterproof lamp holder. Electrical tape. A legally obtained taxiway light. Flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. Wire cutters. Needle nose pliers. A wrench, and a box cutter. To begin, take a gas pipe floor flange and put your 4 knurled screws through the 4 holes in the flange. Use the knurled nuts, tops on the bottom, and screw all 4 screws. Make sure they are tight. Carefully release the clamp holding the globe. Remove the globe and set it down. Use your wrench to loosen the 3 bolts holding the taxiway support pipe to the base of the light and remove the wire from the pipe, and set the base to the side. You may need to clean the support with paper towel and window cleaner. Screw the support pipe into the flange. Make sure the pipe is properly standing up and not leaning. This may take a couple of tries. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the screws holding the light assembly. The screws will be very tight and probably a little rusted. It'll take some prying, but use your needle nose pliers to remove the plug from the base of the taxiway light. It is best to do this outside, as dirt may come out. Once removed, cut the old taxiway light wire and throw away the assembly and wires. They are of no use to anyone. Take your waterproof lamp holder and pull the wires through the hole you just created. While the lamp holder will not be attached to the base of the lamp, it will sit in there if you pull the wires all the way through. Set aside the taxiway light at this time. Take your 2-stranded lamp wire and find an end. Use your wire cutters to make a clean cut. Take your straight blade plug, recommended using easy-to-wire plug, and follow the instructions on how to attach your plug. Do not attach the plug to the wall yet. Just like with your plug, take your wire cutters and make a clean cut to the other end of the lamp wire. Use your box cutters to split the 2 wires while not cutting the protective casing. Use your wire cutters to cut off protective casing around the hot and neutral part of the lamp wire. Now take the taxiway light support pipe and run the non-plug end of the wire through the pipe. Run the cord all the way through. Once installed, you will now attach the other end of your lamp cord to the waterproof lamp holder. Take the hot wire, which is smooth, and connect it to the hot wire of the lamp holder. That wire will be black. Use your wire connectors to hold them together and use electrical tape to secure them. Do the same to the neutral wires and use your wire connectors to hold them together and use electrical tape to secure them. Push the taxiway light support pipe up the cord. Make sure you don't loosen the connections. You will probably have to push down the light bulb assembly to make sure it's snug into the base. Once the support pipe is back inside the base of the taxiway light, use your wrench to tighten the 3 bolts again. Now we're getting to the tricky part of this project. Use your single pole cord switch. Open it up with your Phillips head screwdriver. Follow the instructions provided with the packaging on how to install your cord switch. It is up to you on how far down the cord you want to go. We went down about 2 feet. Remember, the smooth part of the cord is hot. The ribbed part of the cord is the neutral. You will be cutting the hot portion and leaving the ribbed portion intact. Follow the instructions that came along with your single pole cord switch on how to attach it. Make sure the lamp holder is snug to the bottom of the base and install your LED light. Take the globe and place it back on the top of the lamp. Reattach the clamp. Plug in the light. Turn on the light and enjoy the glow of a taxiway light in your own home. Post-production and voiceover artistry provided by 5395 Media, LLC.